Hey, Steve Trimble. In this week's Connected Construction tip, we're going to show you how to use the X7 or X9 laser scanner in Infield to check embed locations. Here you can see we have some columns with embeds that some steel is going to tie into for this really nice bike path that'll kind of bring the riders down near the river. So this is actually done very quickly. Here you can see we have a misplaced embed for one of these, kind of moving up. Um, you can actually see that a little bit clearer in the intensity view, and you can even start to mark those out as well too. So I can highlight that as a point and send that to someone else, or I can actually, well, we'll show you as well as sending that to Connect to share that data. Now, the other thing we can highlight that is also pretty neat is if we look at, we'll go near the path here, you can see where the foundation was essentially not poured correctly, and they're going to need to extend it to have that fit, unless there's another design to tie in these anchor bolts. But here you can see anchor bolt data for where the path would go, and probably where the base plate on this connection is going to go into too, is off by about a foot. Now there could be a design in there to have another steel shim to connect it, but generally you probably want that steel to sit on a concrete foundation. So that can be seen a little bit quicker or a little bit more clearly when we bring in the full detail. Again, this will be millimeter accuracy with the X9 and Infield length. The scan data will register at each one of those spots, and we can tie it into that model as well too. And so here you can see it's very clear. Now to communicate that, I can export an E57 and bring it into Trimble Connect. So anyone online can actually view this data, and we can start to coordinate on what needs to be changed or what needs to happen. So this is just shared online, and I can start to come in here and actually take notes, views, or topics to share across. But we can hopefully update our steel fabrication to fit where these incorrect embeds were placed or anchor bolts. Once we get an engineering sign off, we know we can do that. So whatever we bring to the field will actually fit what's there. Thanks, and please reach out to your nearest Building Point representative if you have any more questions.